space, a vast, infinite, and filled with mysteries beyond our imagination. From shining stars to blazing comets, it's a world where time, space, and reality twist in ways you can't imagine. But how much of the universe do you really know? Today, we are going to explore the universe together through epic MCQs. Are you ready to test your cosmic knowledge? Let's see if you can conquer the final frontier. Let's get started. What is the approximate age of the solar system? The solar system formed 4.6 billion years ago from a giant gas and the dust clouds. Which of these planets has the shortest day? Jupiter. It completes one rotation in around 10 hours. How many planets in our system have rings? The answer is 4. Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune have rings around them. What is the closest planet to the Sun? Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Which of the first artificial satellite launched to the space? In 1957, Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1 was the first artificial satellite in Earth's orbit. Which planet has visited by the most spacecraft? The answer is Mars. More than 50 missions have been sent to study Mars. What was the first private company to send humans to the International Space Station? Elon Musk's SpaceX Crew Dragon took astronauts to the ISS in 2020. What was the first animal sent to space? A dog named Laika was sent to space in 1957 from Sputnik 2. What is the coldest planet in the solar system? Neptune is the coldest planet because it is the farthest from the Sun and has temperatures as low as 214 degrees centigrade minus. What keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? Gravity. The Sun's gravity pulls planets into their orbits. Without this gravitational force, planets would fly off into the space instead of revolving around the Sun. What is the largest volcano in the solar system? Olympus Mons, which is on the Mars, is the largest volcano in the solar system. How long does it take for light from the Sun to reach the Earth? Light travels at 186,000 miles per second. Since Earth is about 93 million miles away from the Sun, sunlight takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. Which planet rotates the opposite way compared to most planets? Venus rotates backward compared to most planets. This means if you were on Venus, the sun would rise in the west and set in the east, the opposite of the Earth. What is the first reusable spacecraft? Space Shuttle Columbia was the first reusable spacecraft launched in 1981. What would happen if two galaxies collided? Galaxies move so far apart that when they were collided, they pass through each other and slowly merge. What is the fastest thing in the universe? The speed of light. Nothing can go faster than light, which moves at 186,000 miles per second. What is the real color of sun? The sun looks yellow of the Earth's atmosphere, but in space it's actually white. Which was India's first moon mission? Chandrayaan-1 was the India's first moon mission launched in 2008. It discovered water molecules on the moon, a finding that changed space research forever. What is Mangalyaan famous for? In 2014, India Mars Orbiter mission became the first mission in the world to reach Mars on its first attempt. Even NASA took multiple tries. What is Gaganyaan mission? Gaganyaan mission will send Indian astronauts into space, set for a launch in 2025. With this, India will become the fourth country to send humans to the space after Russia, USA, and China. That's a wrap. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. If you enjoyed the quiz, please like, share and subscribe for more videos.